How's it going, everyone? This is the Scale Model Car Guy here, and I'm coming with you today. I finally finished up my Corona 500 build, and as y'all remember, this is what I'm building, the 1/16 scale MPC Buddy Baker Dodge. Alright, before I turn it around and show y'all the built video here, I just want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for sticking around, supporting me. And let me turn this camera around and show you what I've done. Alright, everybody, I'm back, and this is my build. This is the MPC Buddy Baker Charger 1973. I had a lot of fitment issues and a lot of trouble with it, but it turned out alright. It was nothing I'd take to a car or a model show or something, but it turned out alright. As you can see, let's see, what did I do special? Okay, I had a lot of problems with the front end right here, getting this piece on here and the valance underneath. But as you can see, I don't know if the camera will show it real good or not, but I put screen here and here, so it's got real screen in it. You see that real good or not? Got the Goodyear painted on the tires. You can see that in the back. I don't know, can we get in that interior? You can see the wood grain on the dash. Fire extinguisher. Try to zoom out here. You can see I got the tubes all wired up there in the back. I don't know if you can see. Try to get that to zoom in a little better on the interior. Go through, maybe we can go through the glass here. Turn that light away here. I don't know if you can see that through there or not. There's the seat belts. You ain't gonna be able to see like that. Of course, I'll have some build pics. I'll probably make another video for the build pics because there's so many of them. I don't want to put them at the end of this, so I'll make 2 videos. Let's pop the hood and let you see in the hood. Alright, there's the engine. It's all wired up. And I'll pop this off right here. That's not even glued on. See the carburetor, the linkage. See all the hoses. There's the back view. Here it is from the side. See if you can see through that grill now if the hood's off. There you go, the light will get in there now. Look at there, see? Alright, let's turn this thing over if we can get this turned over without screwing something up. Okay. You can see on the bottom where I did the bottom in the gray, and then it's got the overspray. Got the headers on it. Got the rear end and fuel tank plumbed. But that's about it. I don't know what else to tell you other than the fitment issues. There were several fitment issues with it, but other than that, she turned out alright for all the problems I had with it. But that is my Coronavirus 500. So there you go, Fred. She's completed. If y'all's like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.